Dictionary interview questions and answers. Beginner means advanced. Introduction. A dictionary is a data structure that stores data in key value pairs. Dictionaries are widely used for ASK, fast lookups, caching, configuration storage, JSON-like structures, indexing data, mappings and associations. Common dictionary implementations exist in Turk, Python, dict, C#, dictionary, Java, hashmap, JavaScript, object, map. 1 to 20. Dictionary basics. What is a dictionary? A collection storing key value pairs. Why use dictionaries? Fast access, efficient searching, flexible mappings. Unique identifier for stored value. What is a value in dictionary? Data associated with a key. What is key value pair? Combination of key and corresponding value. Technique converting keys into hash codes. Why are dictionaries fast? They use hashing for near O1 lookups. What is hash table? Data structure behind many dictionaries. Python dictionary example. User equals name John, age 25. C# dictionary example. Dictionary int string, users equals new dictionary int string. Java hashmap example. Map integer string, map equals new hashmap. JavaScript object example. Const user equals name John. Duplicate keys are not allowed. Can dictionary values repeat? Yes. What is mutable dictionary? Dictionary whose contents can change. What is immutable dictionary? Dictionary that cannot be modified. What is dictionary lookup? Retrieving value using key. Python lookup example, username. What is insertion in dictionary? Adding new key value pair. Insertion example. User.city equals Toronto, 21 to 40. Dictionary operations. What is update operation? Modifying existing value. Update example. User.age equals 30. What is deletion operation? Removing key value pair. Delete example. Del user age. What happens when accessing missing key? Usually throws error or returns null default. Safe lookup example in Python. User.getName. What is contains check operation? Name in user. What is iteration over dictionary? For k, v in user.items. What is dictionary size count? Len user. What is nested dictionary? Dictionary containing dictionaries. Nested dictionary example. Users equals u1, name, John. What is dictionary comprehension? XXX for x in range 5. What is merging dictionaries? Combining multiple dictionaries. Python merge example. A.update B. What is dictionary copy? Creating duplicate dictionary. Shallow copy example. Copy equals dict user. What is deep copy? Recursively copies nested objects. What is key collision? Multiple keys generating same hash. How are collisions handled? Chaining, open addressing. What is load factor? Ratio of filled entries to total capacity. 41 to 70. Advanced dictionary concepts. What is time complexity of dictionary lookup? Average O1. What is insertion complexity? Average O1. What is deletion complexity? Average O1. Worst case dictionary complexity. ON during heavy collisions. What is ordered dictionary? Dictionary preserving insertion order. Does Python preserve order? Yes. Python 3.7 plus preserves insertion order. What is sorted dictionary? Dictionary maintaining sorted keys. What is concurrent dictionary? Thread-safe dictionary implementation. C#. Concurrent dictionary example. Concurrent dictionary int string. Why use concurrent dictionary? Thread safety, parallel access. What is immutable dictionary in C#? Immutable dictionary. Create. What is default dict in Python? From collections import default dict. Why use default dict? Automatically initializes missing keys. What is counter in Python? From collections import counter. What is dictionary serialization? Converting dictionary into JSON, XML, etc. JSON dictionary example. Name, John. What is deserialization? Converting JSON data into dictionary. What is hash function? Function generating numeric hash values. Good hash function properties? Fast, evenly distributed, deterministic. What is rehashing? Resizing and rebuilding hash table. Why does rehashing occur? To maintain performance. What is dictionary memory overhead? Extra memory used for hashing structures. What is sparse dictionary? Dictionary with relatively few entries. What is key immutability? Keys should not change after insertion. Why must keys often be immutable? Stable hashing behavior required. Common immutable keys? Check strings, check integers, check tuples. Common mutable keys problems? Check. Unstable hashing? Check. Lookup failures. What is custom key object? User-defined object used as dictionary key. What methods are important for custom keys? Hash code Xcode, get hash code, equals. What is dictionary caching use case? Storing pre-computed values for fast retrieval. 71 to 100, dictionary algorithms and best practices. What is frequency counting? Counting occurrences using dictionary. Frequency count example, counts, word, plus equals 1. What is memoization? Caching function results using dictionary. Memoization example, cache n equals result. What is lookup table? Dictionary-based fast access structure. What is inverted index? Mapping values back to keys documents. What is symbol table? Compiler structure using dictionaries. What is adjacency map in graphs? Dictionary representing graph connections. Graph dictionary example, graph equals A, B, C. What is trie versus dictionary? Trie optimizes prefix searching. Dictionary versus array? Dictionary uses keys. Array uses indexes. Dictionary versus list? Dictionary provides faster key-based lookup. Dictionary versus database? Dictionary is in memory. Database is persistent. What is memory performance trade-off? Faster lookups often require more memory. Common dictionary interview topics? Common. Hashing, collisions, frequency counting, caching, complexity analysis. Common dictionary coding problems? To-sum, anagram grouping, word frequency, duplicate detection. What is anagram grouping? Grouping words with same character composition. What is LRU cache? Least recently used cache implementation. What is hash map-based optimization? Replacing nested loops with dictionary lookups. Best practices for dictionaries? Choose good keys. Avoid unnecessary nesting. Handle missing keys safely. What is dictionary normalization? Standardizing key value structure. What is dictionary flattening? Converting nested dictionaries into flat structure. What is dictionary filtering? KV for KV in D.items if V greater than 10. What is dictionary mapping transformation? Converting values into new structure. What is dictionary-based indexing? Optimized lookup structures. What is memory leak risk with dictionaries? Large cached dictionaries may grow indefinitely. How to become strong in dictionary problems. Practice. Hashing problems. Solve frequency counting tasks. Optimize nested loops. Biggest dictionary interview concept? Hashing and efficient key-based lookups. Hash tables, complexity analysis, collisions, and optimization. Why are dictionaries important in programming? They enable extremely fast data retrieval and scalable lookup operations. Dictionary interviews focus on hash tables and hashing, key value operations, collisions and rehashing, complexity analysis, frequency counting, caching and memoization, dictionary-based algorithms, thread-safe dictionaries. Key idea. Strong developers understand hashing, efficient lookup optimization, and scalable key-value data structures.